Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon camp. We are going in to do us a Target deal for the week. Hopefully we grab some Ibotta stuff and get some gift cards. So let's go and see what we got. This week guys, you normally have $6, so I am going to be using some of my gift cards in return. Okay guys, so I am going to buy the Snuggle buy two, get a $5 gift card. I'm going to get two of these. And I will be using a $10 gift card to pay it down, and I get a $5 back. So I am going to bite the bullet on that one. But I told you I enjoy that. So here it is. Buy two, get a $5 gift card, and there it is. Snuggle. Okay guys, so I will be doing the Renews It. The Renews It is $2.69. I will be grabbing two of these and getting a dollar back from Ibotta. Yes, I will be getting $1 back from my Ibotta. You could do this up to 5 times. So I already did once. I'm going to grab 2 more. And then I still have 2 more times. You get $1 back for each one. So I'll pay $1.69 for each one. Yay! You don't need a coupon for that, and that's a great deal. Guys, we are on the women's aisle, as you can see. And here they are right here. They didn't have them last time I was here. So Chic women's razor is $8.29. They have a deal where you buy two, get a $5 gift card. Look guys, on each one of these it's a $3 off. It's a $3 Skintimate bloom razor or refill on here. I'm going to take that off of there and hopefully I could use it. If not, that'll be fine, because guess what? Ibotta is giving us back $3 for every 2 that you buy, and you only can buy 2 of those, so grab that deal. Okay, so the Skintimates is $8.29 each, coming up to $16.53. Let's subtract those coupons. Remember, this was attached to a box, and it is a $3 off coupon. You could use up to 2 at one time. So let's subtract the $3 from each one. Take away. That's $13 for the first one. So it's going to take us down to $10.58. I'm going to get them a $5 off, $5 gift card minus another $5, $5.58, and then they're going to give me back another $5 gift card. It's flipping cards. That's what that's called. So let's subtract that. So I'm going to end up paying 58 cents after I get my gift card from Target for 2 Skintimate razors, okay? Or let's divide that by 2. They're going to be 29 cents each. That is a great deal. Plus, I'm going to make money because Ibotta is going to give me $3 each for those. $6 money maker, guys. $6. So make sure you can go and grab these if you can. Well, the deal came out last week, but I was not able to get them because they didn't have any in Target, and I wanted to specifically get them at Target because I knew I had gift cards, okay? So it's a rhyme and a reason for people doing different things, and that's why I want to wait. So I caught the deal. That is a great deal, guys. Let's look at the next great deal that I have for you. Okay, guys, I'm going to grab a Caress for $3.99. Let me show you the deal. It is Caress St. Ives Act Swab Body Wash 16 to 32 ounces and Axe deodorants 2.7 to 5.1 ounces. Buy 3, get a free $5 gift card. This deal don't end until 13. They are $3.99. So I'm going to grab the ones that's $3.99. And I'm going to grab one of these. Now make sure they are 18 ounces because Ibotta is going to give us $1 back for each one. Yes, Ibotta is going to give you $1 back up to 3 of these. Okay, so let's add that up. 3.99 times 3, $11.97. I'm going to get them a $5 gift card, $6.97, and then I'm going to get $3 back from Ibotta. So 3 Caress for $3.97 divided by 3, $1.32 each. That's a great coupon for Caress, guys. I wish I could find I thought it was Caress coupons, but Somebody just told me it wasn't. I thought it was. So if so, guys, let me know. Okay. Let's see what else I got for you. Okay, guys. Just to mention this over here, swab is at $2.39. They are a part of this deal. Make sure it's the 16 ounce or higher. Okay, now let me add that up for you guys, because some people don't want to get the caress. Caress can be overpowering on you if you have sensitive skin. But I also have a buyer. I'm going to sell those caresses, so I'm not worried about that. This right here is $2.39, so let's add it up. Okay, so the swab is $2.39 times 3, $7.17. Oh, look at that. Take away $5. $2.17 for 3. That ain't bad. Divided by 3, 72 cents each. That's a good deal. I think I'm gonna grab that. I don't have no coupon for it, but I think I still want to grab it because I can flip a card with it. And that's the great part about shopping at Target. You can flip a card. So I'm gonna grab 3 swabs and flip a card with it, guys. Look at that. 72 cents for these giant bottles right here. And it does not limit you. It doesn't say how much you got to spend, because if so, it would have had this down, but it doesn't. So grab these. So I'm going to grab a couple of these for my nieces. I grabbed 3 of these. I try to help my brother out some with his girls. And there. I better get him one. Okay. There. There you go. So now we are up to what? So we're looking at $20 worth of gift cards. I'm only going to be short $5 off of that Snuggle, okay? The Dow was not a part of that deal, but they are $3.99 each. That buy one get one coupon will work good on that. Okay, here it is. The men's Dove is buy 3 get a free $5 gift card. Now, I'm looking at this. I do not see Dove on here. Caress, St. Ives, Axe, Swab Body Wash, and Axe deodorants. That is on the wrong thing, because that's Dove. I'm not going to even go through it today. But if so, you will use the $3 off coupon. If it works, guys, get the $3 off coupon. Use 3 coupons. Try to use 3. It usually does work. And then you get a $5 gift card. Try to flip a gift card in there somewhere so that you can get, it's a great deal. Let me show you what else is a great deal. With this Schmidt's charcoal, it's for people that's sensitive to aluminums and all that. Buy 2, get a $5 gift card. They're at $6.99. If you buy 2 of those, you're supposed to pay $14. Get them a $5 gift card. That'll go down to $9. Then they're going to give you a $5 gift card back. See? And then you're paying $4 for 2. $4 for 2 Smiths, or $2 each. That was just an honorable mention. But actually, I'm going to do the Dove deodorant. I think I mentioned in my Walgreens video yesterday at Walgreens, because I have some deals for that. Okay, guys, I was going to grab these, but I see that they got caffeine in them, so I can't do them. They're 3 for $5. The buys are, and you get 50 cents back for each one that you buy up to 5 times from Ibotta. I cannot do that, so I'm not gonna do. But let's count and see what we're getting from Ibotta today. I'm so excited. Okay, the Caress not a part of that. I will get $1 each for these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $11 from Ibotta, guys. Oh my goodness. And then I'm gonna get 5, 10, 15, 20, and then I'm gonna get $20 in gift cards. So when you go in Target, always have your game plan ready, because Target is rough. It can be rough if you're not matching deals up, if you're not setting up your deals, if you're not using gift cards. It can get really hard to shop in Target, okay? Target is one of my better stores I love to shop in. For years I've shopped here, so I did kind of study how to shop in Target. One thing, your best deal is they always offer gift cards for you, always. So try and grab them as much as possible, because if you do not, you will come out of Target spending a lot of money. And then try to match up any Ibottas, Fetches, Shop, Kicks, whatever you could find to use in Target to get more for your money. It's just Target. That's the way they shop. That's the way that their deals go. It's kind of a high-end store, so you know, when you shopping at Target, you kind of comparing apples and oranges if you're trying to shop Target and Dollar General. I think you're even comparing apples and oranges when you actually shopping at Walmart, but we don't have another store to compare them to. But all of this stuff that you see me about, it's for sale. I'm just really selling off a lot of stuff because I am going to start over, and I am going to take my kids hopefully to Hawaii. So I need to get about $5,000 up. So you'll hear me a lot say I'm gonna sell that. That's exactly why I'm gonna sell it. Okay, so guys, let's go ahead and see how we did to the counter. Guys, yes, this Target haul was fantastic because I paid $1.42 out of pocket for this. That was for the Schick, and then I ended up paying for the Caress. I paid $4 out of pocket, and then for the Swab, $2 because look, well, $1.32 because it used a $10 card. I didn't know it. So, and then for, of course, the Snuggle, I got that card also. Guys, I ended up going over by $11 more than I wanted to. But look, 4 $5 gift cards back. I'm short 1 gift card because of the $5. Then, what else did I do? I will get $11 back from Ibotta. So we are cooking with gas, guys. We are cooking this week. I am so excited about this Target haul because it's so hard to get a good deal from them. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Don't mind my junky car. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share these deals with people. Bye.